No, no flip? Alright, just jump.
Lucy! Lucy!
You want to wait for this one, buddy, or do you want to go in this one? You want to go? You want to go higher?
Yeah, higher.
Yeah, all the way up.
Rocket her up.
All right, ready, kiddo? 1, 2, 3, away!
Oh my god. Her face changed a little on that one. Wow! Wow! You're gonna fly into outer space. You're gonna go into outer space.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh
Oh, it's so funny.
good job! And look how high you are. Oh, and look at Lucy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Her face changed a little. That's hilarious. Yay! That a little too high?
All right, kiddo, we'll do one more, and then we're going to come down, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Good job!
Nice job, Lucy!
Hey, Stella, are you going to go? It's your turn. Stella, come try it. You can go low. You don't
Good
have to
job,
try.
Lucy! Was it fun? Lucy, was it fun?